Hi everyone, I'm back in the kitchen. I'm bringing you back to the kitchen. This is Leila, and stay with me. Let's make some yummy noodle. It's a simple one. I promise you. This is well, it's different from instant noodle soup. I will be using a fine and white, as you see there, fine and white plain noodle. It's made out of plain flour, salt, and water. It's dried. I will show you how it looks. It's like this. It's easily crumbled. It needs only a few minutes of cooking. In Philippines, it's a favorite ingredients as well for making a quick meal. In Philippines, we use patola. It's a vegetable. It's breathed lufa. It's like cucumber, but it's more meaty. So what we will use now is for flavoring. I have for protein, we have tuna, one can of tuna there in water, and colors, vegetable. We have diced carrot. I diced one carrot, and we have shepherd. I will cut this in cubes as well. This is quite big for this, but it's the shepherd pepper. It's sweet and it's mild, and it's this is great for grilling. We have pachoy, fresh pachoy, and lemon for later. I have chopped garlic, onion, and ginger. Yes, and our chives. I have also vegetable broth. I don't know if I will use it, but we'll see, because I have I will just show you. I will use one of these. I will not use this. We have a dark soy sauce and the tin one. I will be using the tin one. I will use for sauteing peanut oil. You can use your own favorite oil. Olive oil is good. Rapeseed oil, coconut oil, and we have this chili and spices mixed, and the black, my favorite, smoked black salt, and we have kasubha. Yeah, this is from Philippines. Kasubha is a version, a family of saffron. This is cheaper anyway, so you just have a bit of that and a sprinkle of that. It gives color and special flavor. It's a from safflower. Yes. Okay, let's do this. My pan will be heating soon. See you later. So guys, our peanut oil is heated up in medium heat. I will put now the onion. Just actually half onion only. It depends how much soup you're going to make. Fry it in a few minutes until it's fragrant. And there it is. And I will put now the ginger. Just a few 2 centimeters of fresh ginger. Smelling good as well already. And then we'll add up the garlic soon. It's a quick stir fry, and throw in your garlic, chopped garlic. I love fresh ones. Yep, there it goes. And I will lower the heat. It's cooking so fast. Minutes, and I will add the carrots, diced carrots, so it cools down a bit. Your oil, your pan, it doesn't burn your onions. One at a time. Cooking is about patience. Yes. And let's see. So stir it in a few minutes. And then we add up the chopped shepherd pepper. You can use bell pepper, different kinds of colors, you know, assorted, green, orange, yellow, red. It's good to plan how your dish will look like when you put it on your plate. We cook it for a while and then we will put the tuna. You can use chicken as well. I have some chicken actually, but I decided to use the tuna for today. I will tell you it's smelling good, and now we will chuck in. We will put in the tuna. I cook it in a few minutes already and mix it up. Okay, I decided I will use the vegetable broth. You can use your fish broth, chicken, whatever you prefer. It's your dish, so you plan it. But the most important thing is prepare everything before you start heating up your pan. And then we're just spicing it up and then add up some water in it. Saute it in a few minutes. Let's add up. It's my hobby or a thing of me to put pepper now. At this stage, a bit of the chili and the herb and a bit of salt. Have to be careful with the salt because tuna is already salty, and then I'm planning to put some soy sauce, and the broth is already salty, so you have to be careful with that. Mix it. And we will add the liquid soon. Looking good. Flavor setting in. And I have a liter of water here. I will first add up half only, or even a quarter, because it's easier to add more than take off. So half of it. Yes. Let it boil. When it's boiling, then I will add noodles, our fine and white plain noodles. That's how it looks like. It's so crumbly. See? And the vegetable pak choy will go. Dinner is boiling. It's calling us. So, noodle time. I will put one and another one. That will be enough. Have to remember it goes 2 times, so it double up the amount. That would be enough. And I will taste it now. Good. A splash of soy sauce, the thin one. I put away my dark one. Just a splash. Special taste. That would be enough for that. And beautiful pak choy. I'll just chuck it in. You can cut it if you want, but I will leave it like that. It will cook same time as the noodle, and small part of it. Last but not the least, our kasubha, the safflower herb. A bit of that. It doesn't need much. It gives color, special flavor. I will cover it up, turn off the heat, and it's ready. Dinner is ready. Huwarawa ka halwa? Kain na, soon. Bon appetit. You can serve it off with a squeeze of course, lemon, my favorite. I have it ready. And we shouldn't forget our bask leaves. I'll put it now. And the scallions. And if you want, you can put chili oil, roasted garlic, crispy onions. It's your dinner, you decide. And it's looking good, isn't it? You can crack an egg on it as well, in it, for more protein. Yes, it's looking good now. It's very convenient. It's very easy. You can put more water if you want it more soupy. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell as well. Keep updated. Thank you. Have a nice day. Have a nice evening. See you on my next video.